So love can actually really help you lower your pain. So say you have the fear that, pain is going to get worse, you won't be able to live your life. And then, instead of kind of stewing in that, you really, like we always do, allow your threat system to be heard, write about your fears, imagine your fears, and recognize kind of this deep need to feel safe. And then you can move into activating the calm system and getting that safety by imagining someone or something that you love or feel grateful for. And if you really imagine that and kind of take that feeling of love into your body to comfort you when you're in pain, it actually helps your nervous system to feel safer. And over time, the pain, tension can actually reduce. Actually, there's been some cool research that's shown that love can actually lower pain and reduce the brain's threat system activation. So, one study found that people who held their partner's hand during a pain induction actually reported lower pain and reduced activation in the brain's pain areas. And that includes areas for pain sensations like the somatosensory cortex, emotion like the amygdala, and reward and punishment and meaning like places in the prefrontal cortex. So another study found that even picturing a loved one reduced pain ratings and the brain regions associated with pain. So a loved one didn't even have to be in the room, you didn't have to be holding their hand, just picturing somebody that you love was enough to lower physical pain. So the bottom line is that your brain produces pain depending on the amount of danger it perceives, and love reduces our sense of danger. It comforts us. It teaches our nervous system that we are safe. And it's really important to note that there's a lot of different types of love, all of which are important. So, there's love for people, and who those people are really, can be anyone that in your life that you love. It can be family, it can be friends. It can also be love for a spiritual figure. It can be romantic love. It can be love for a pet. But it can also be love for a hobby or a place, a place that's comforting to you. It can be love for a book that you really related to. It can be love for movies or for specific artists. There's no limit on what love is. And all of these types of love can really help your nervous system to feel calmer and help you lower your pain.